Hey guys, so I've just done a recording of how to buy your first Bitcoin, and after doing all the video and sending me some money over there and doing it all, I have found that my green screen, which allows me to be on this screen the way that it is, it's one of the effects there that does it. Look at this, look, watch this. Hang on a sec. Can you see that? Because my office has a laundry room in it. There's my laundry basket. So if I cut myself back in, here I am now, and it all looks really, really good and really professional. But that doesn't look that good, does it? But I was laughing at myself, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to keep with it. I'm just going to stick with it. So anyway, here it is. I'm going to roll out the intro, and you're going to have how to buy Bitcoin in with that little bit there. This is that's quite funny. Okay, here we go. Hello guys, friends, welcome to the channel. Welcome to your channel. It's a channel where we grow and we learn. And today I want to teach you guys how to buy your first Bitcoin or your first cryptocurrency of your choice. Okay, there's thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, and we're going to be looking today at one of the exchanges, or like one of the bank accounts if you like, that you can buy cryptocurrency on. One of those cryptocurrencies that you can buy is Bitcoin. And if you go to one of my videos, including this video, you'll see in the link, because I'm going to leave it in the description. If I go to one of my videos, let's say the latest live stream that I did, go into there. Where is it? There you go. You'll see a link there that says Coinbase. And then, so if you end up clicking on that link, if I copy that and paste it into there, it'll bring you to this screen, and it says you're invited to try Coinbase, and you'll get £7 free Bitcoin when you spend £72 in cryptocurrency. This is pounds. If you follow it over and you're in the United States or you're in Europe, then it will be change that will change ever so slightly depending on the currency and the country that you're in. Okay, and then you just follow the online steps. It'll ask you your name, your address, it's a bank account you're opening. They just don't do a credit check. Okay, so you won't be credit checked. So yeah, but it is a bank account, so they probably want to see your a proof of who you are. So they might want to see your driving license, a picture of you and your driving license, just to show you who you are. So don't be freaked out about that or be worried about it. It is an account that you're opening up, and they want to make sure that fraud doesn't happen. So they will be checking that you are who you say you are. Okay. Right, once you've done that and it's all done, you'll end up getting a page that looks a little something like, if I go to my Coinbase page, you look like this. And this is my Coinbase account. Right, it says that I've got $5 in there, and in that account there's $5. There's £5. Sorry, right. So, okay, moving over. You want to buy some. So what you're going to do, you go down to Bitcoin, go into Bitcoin. This is like stuff that I've had in the past, and but you want to buy some, so you literally press buy. So it says buy Bitcoin with Euro wallet. Well, I don't have any euros. Okay, so and I'm gonna have to find some other way of buying it. So if I go over it, it says add a payment method. Click on payment method, and then it'll give you the opportunity to add a debit or credit card. Okay, and you literally put your card number in, your security number on the back, press add card, and then it will add a card. And at that point there, you can turn around and say pay with a card, and away you go. You've got money in there. And then what will happen is this. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is another way of doing it is receiving. So you're going to receive money. Okay, buy and sell, receive money. So if I go to my portfolio, go to my pounds. If I want to receive money, I want to deposit it. Comes up with my information just there, my reference number. If you guys want to give me any Bitcoin, feel free to. That's the reference number that you put on a faster payments, and that's the account number and sort code. Okay. What I'm going to do now live, so that you guys can see me doing it, I'm going to go onto my bank account, and I'm going to send myself a little bit of money. Just a little bit of money. Okay, just a little bit of money. Right. There we go. And pay and transfer. Pay a recent payee. And your recent payee from my bank account to Coinbase. And I'm going to send myself £30. Seems reasonable. Okay, done. So it's saying that it's left my bank account now. So it's just left my bank account. Now, just wait a second, because it is a faster payment, so normally happens within, I don't know, 15-20 seconds or so. So now if I go to my portfolio, it says £5 that's in there at the minute, and in my GB account is no money. Okay, so if I press refresh, there's no money in there. Press refresh. There's still no money in there. Let's press refresh again. How many times are we going to do this? And there is the £30 that I've just put in. So I did have $5. Now I've got $35. So this is how we buy Bitcoin. So I use the that number that was in there. You know, that reference number that made it pertain to my wallet. Okay, so that's the number that you give to your bank, so that Coinbase knows who to attribute the money to when you send it over. And then what we do is we go to whatever asset it is that we want to buy. Let's say we want to buy Bitcoin. You go buy, and it says, what do you want to buy? So in here, you got your drop down box. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin you might have heard of, Polkadot, Uniswap. There's loads of things that you can buy, alright? Well, we're going to buy Bitcoin today. So it's Bitcoin that I want to buy. And I want to buy, I want to use my GB wallet. Yeah, now it says £30. It didn't say £30 before, it wasn't there. So I'm going to select my £30 wallet. So it's going to buy Bitcoin with £30 wallet. So I'm going to put £30. And then I'm going to press preview buy. And it tells me that the Coinbase fees, they're going to make £2 of the fees. And then I'm going to press right now. Successfully purchased. So now when I go to my portfolio, it now says in my Bitcoin account that I have got £27.87 of Bitcoin. £2 odd went to fees, and that's what's left. So I will now leave that £30 in there for as long as I feel that I want to. And as the price of Bitcoin goes up, if it ends up going up by 500% or 1,000%, then that's some good gains there, and then I can take that and then buy myself some sweeties or a new set of shoes. Yeah, and that is in a nutshell how you buy Bitcoin. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very simple tutorial. It is very simple. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on the Discord. So there's a link to a Discord down there. Go onto that Discord, sign up to Discord, and you'll always be able to get hold of me on that Discord. So there we go, simple as that. And that works for anything else. It might be that you have Bitcoin and you want, you hear that Tezos is going to go up. So what you can do is there's something called convert. So you can go into your Bitcoin and if I got a trade, and I'm going to convert my Bitcoin for Tezos. Yeah. So convert Bitcoin to Tezos, convert all, and then it'll show me, okay, if you convert it all, if I press convert now, it means that I'll have all my money then in Tezos. So if I think that Tezos is going to earn me more money than Bitcoin in the short term, then I can convert it, which I'm not going to do because I want to keep my money there in Bitcoin. And yeah, there we go. So you can convert things around as well. It's a little bit of an expensive way to trade because this is more of a domestic platform. They do another Coinbase called Coinbase Pro, and if you go into Coinbase Pro, you find that it looks quite complicated, whereas this is very simple. It's just a great, easy user face that's user friendly to Joe Public. And that might be who you are, just getting started out, and you just needed a little bit of a push and a little bit of what's the word I'm looking for? A little bit of a introduction on how to get into buying your first bit of cryptocurrency. So follow the link, fill in your details, go onto your bank account, phone your bank up. Where it says send and receive, you will go to receive. I understand. Hang on a minute. Where was it? Buy Bitcoin from. Should have quit while I was ahead, shouldn't I? Okay. So go to my GBP wallet, my Great British Pound wallet. Go into there. Go to deposit. And it brings up this box. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to phone your bank. You're going to go through security and go, "Hello, Alice. Yep, this is he or she, you. What I'd like to do, please, is make a transfer of however much you want to transfer over, right? £30, £100, £1,000, £1 million, whatever it's going to be. Yeah, what I'd like to do is I'd like to make a transfer, please. Yeah, it's to a company called Coinbase. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know it's cryptocurrency. High risk, yes, I've heard that it's high risk, yeah, but I'm only putting in as much as I can afford to lose, so it's all good, yeah, okay. So the reference number, please, that I'd like to put along with the purchase or the money transfer is C for Charlie, B for Bravo, A for Alpha, G for Golf, etc., and then the number, right? And then the lady on your bank will say, "What's the recipient's sort code?" Say, okay, well, it's 040610. Right, what's the recipient's account number? Well, it's 04661360. What's the name? It's Coinbase. I said that earlier on. Yes. Right. Yeah, can I? Yeah. Yeah, immediate transfer, please. Yes. Great. And will that be on my mobile app now for future time so that I don't have to ring in every time, yeah? Brilliant. Yeah, because I'd like to dollar cost average and buy a little bit each month, maybe. Yeah, cool. Lovely to speak with you today, Alice. All right, thanks very much. Bye-bye. Put the phone down. By the time you've gone through all of that and thanking her and all the rest of it, the money will then be into your Coinbase account, and then you'll be able to buy your Coinbase. And then when you want to take your money out, what you do is you go to buy and sell. You go and you change it this time. You use this flick button, and you go sell your Bitcoin. Sorry, hang on a sec. Sell your Bitcoin to your GBP wallet. Sell all, and it'll tell you that you'll end up getting back £25.69 because they're going to charge me £1.99 again on the way back out. So the fees in was £2. The fees out are £2, which means that I've kind of lost £4 if I do it now, which I'm not going to do. If I press sell, then it's instant that the money will then be. It will then say there's about £25 in my GBP wallet, and then the money that's in your GBP wallet. If I go back to portfolio, like my Euro wallet there, if I want to turn around and withdraw it, withdraw all, press continue, and it'll say, do you want to withdraw to PayPal or do you want to withdraw to your bank? So if I do a PayPal withdrawal, same day, free, withdraw that, withdraw, and it's now doing it. Your withdrawal request was sent, done. So now my euros that was in there, that €1 for whatever a €1 for is, €1 is now gone, and I don't hold that in there anymore. That will be being sent over to my my PayPal wallet, and that's it. So that's buy, and that's how you sell. So I would wait until that £30 gets to maybe double or treble my money. Wait until it gets to 100 over £100, just over, and then maybe take out half of it or something. Then what's left is free. Didn't cost me anything, and I've made a little bit of money in the process, and that's how you do it. And then you can go back in the past and see how much that you've had. I've been quite rich, haven't I? Look, 800, £900 in there at one point. That was the best time of my life, when I had the most moneyest in the world. So there you go, and now it's just £32.92 because that other bit of money's gone. Actually, it's gone up. I think that's actually Bitcoin. So I've made some money just in talking to you guys. It's actually gone up. So I've made my money back. Right. Okay. Adios, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.